And we're back. Today we're going to do the review of the Alliance Designs Scout, designed by Pat Hammond. This is a, I guess, new knife company collaboration. They're going to do like designs from different designers. Kind of like an all-star team. We'll start off on the Scout here with specs. It's 5.625 inches overall. The blade length is 2 1/4. The cutting edge is about the same, about 2.2, 2.1. Blade width is 0.75. Very thin blade. I think it's 0.1. Has a flat grind, satin finish, and the blade material is a Swedish RWL 34 steel. A nice high-end steel, by the way. The handle length is 3.37. The handle is very thin, 0.32. This thing only weighs 1.58 ounces. It's a frame lock. The handle material is titanium. It is a right-handed tip-up carry. Manual flipper. Has a pocket clip. Ceramic ball bearing. It has like a two-tone finish here, I guess you would call it. This is etched into the titanium on both sides. The design is. Has like a chevron pattern, which gives it a sort of a, I guess you would say, a unique look. The pocket clip, I don't know if I mentioned this, is also titanium. And I think I mentioned it, but we'll mention it again. It was designed by Pat Hammond. Nice little flipper here. I believe the price on this knife is around, I can't remember exactly. I think it might be $200, somewhere in that neighborhood. Let's go ahead and show you how it cuts. This is the first Alliance design that we have received. I think I saw some more come in today, but I think there's going to be several of them for sure. Let's go ahead and show you how to cut some cardboard here. As you would expect, it slices right through it. You can see there it makes nice little precision cuts. No matter how little cardboard I give it to cut, it slices it right up. So once again, this is the Scout by Alliance Designs, designed by Pat Hammond. It was designed to be an everyday carry knife. We'll show you the overall size of it there in my hand at 5.6 inches. It's a nice little folder. Very lightweight. So for those of you who are watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. Watch some of our videos. We do a weekly show, Joel and I, each week that covers the knives of the new knives that come in each week. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow @AtlanticKnife. We post knife videos, knife reviews, pictures from our customers, as well as we do a daily poll with, questions, guess the knife, things like that. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.